Hello everyone, and welcome to another video in my channel. In this video, we are given a fine radical equation to solve. We are given square root x minus square root y plus square root x plus square root y is equal to square root xy. But the condition is that x and y are members of the set of integers, and we are asked to find the value of x, y. What are we going to do to solve problems like this? But before I proceed, I would like you to do me a favor. Please like this video if you find it interesting, subscribe to my channel if I haven't done so, and also share this video. I'll really appreciate it if you do all these little things because they will help the channel to grow. What is one way we can solve this? I will only use one method, and that method is this. I'm first of all going to square both sides of the equation. So let us square both sides of the equation. So we have square root x minus square root y plus square root x plus square root y is equal to square root xy. Squared here, and then we square here. Now I'm going to apply this binomial expansion, that is a plus b all raised to the power 2 is equal to a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. This expansion will be applied here. So we are assuming that a is equal to the square root of x minus square root of y, and b is the square root of x plus square root of y. So applying this expansion, we have a squared, that is x minus root y all in square root squared, plus 2 times x minus root y, and then x plus root y. Then b squared becomes x plus root y all squared is equal to the square root of xy all squared, where this and this will cancel out. Good. Now I combine this thing based on this property of sorts. If I have square root a multiplying square root b, it can be equal to square root ab. So this property is applied here. Now proceeding, we have this and this will cancel out, giving us x minus root y plus, I can now open this bracket because this is difference of 2 squared. So I have 2 brackets x squared minus y. Now, I was saying that this is difference of 2 squared. If I have a minus root b, then multiplying by a plus root b, it will be a squared then minus b, because this times this is this, and this times this is this. When we multiply this and this and this and this, they will cancel out, plus the b part, which is this and this, will cancel out, giving us x plus root y equals to xy. Now, since this and this are equal and opposite, they will cancel out. Let us add these two together, giving us 2x plus 2 bracket x squared minus y. Let's remember there should be a bracket there. Before we make a mistake, there should be a bracket here. This bracket has not been dealt with. Then equals to xy. The next thing I will do is to isolate this one. That means I'm going to move this 2x to this side. So I have 2 roots x squared minus y is equal to xy minus 2x. So let me square both sides. Squaring both sides, this and this will cancel out. 2 squared is 4 times x squared minus y is equal to, now opening this bracket, this is x squared y squared minus 2 times 2x squared y plus 4x squared, because this times this is this times this will give us 2x squared y. Again, this time this will give us another 2x squared y. When we add them together, we'll have this, and 2x times 2x will give us 4x squared. Let us open this bracket. We have 4x squared minus 4y is equal to x squared y squared minus 4x squared y. then plus 4x squared. Again, this and this are equal and opposite. They will cancel out, leaving us with x squared y squared, which is this, minus 4x squared y, which is this, is equal to minus 4y. Now, let me multiply through by minus 1. So I have minus x squared y squared plus 4x squared is equal to 4y. Then, this is y here, please. So we have 4x squared y, then minus x squared y squared equals to 4y. I can factorize x squared out here. X squared, then 4y minus y squared is equal to 4y. So let us divide both sides by this term. If we divide by 4y minus y squared, we divide by 4y minus y squared here. So this and this will cancel out, leaving us with x squared equals to 4y over 4y minus y squared. So what we'll have up to this stage is x squared is equal to 4y all over 4y minus y squared. Now let us remember that the condition is that x, y are members of the set of integers. So our result must be a whole number or an integer. We are going to let y equals to 1 first, because if we let y equals to 0, we are going to get an undefined fraction. Let's put in 1 for y, where we see y in this equation. So 4 times 1 all over 4 times 1 minus 1 squared will give us 4 over 4 minus 1, which is 4 over 3. If we find the square root of 4 over 3, we are going to get 2 over root 3. This is not a whole number, therefore this is not a solution. Again, let us try with y equals to 2. If that's the case, x squared is equal to 4 times 2, that is 4y here, all over 4 times 2 minus 2 squared, which will be equal to 8 all over 8 minus 4, which is equal to 8 over 4, and it is 2. So x equals to the square root of 2. Again, this is not a whole number, rather this is an irrational number. So this is not a solution, as this is not a solution. Then let us try with y is equal to 3. And if that's the case, x squared is equal to 4 times 3 all over 4 times 3 minus 3 squared. 4 times 3 is 12, then 12 minus 9 here, which will give us 12 over 3, and it is equal to 4. So x squared equals to 4, and x equals to the square root of 4, which is 2. We can have plus or minus 2. Now, this is a whole number. Let us remember that the condition is that x, y are members of the set of positive integers, and it is not specified whether it is positive or negative integers. So x, y is equal to 2, 3. That becomes the solution to this equation. Please leave a like for this video and also leave a comment. I'll be glad to read your comments in the comment section. Bye for now, and see you in another video.